Hey crafty crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. So today we're going to be making a smoothie in my Ninja Blender smoothie cup. The things you're going to need are a banana, some blueberries, some yogurt. I have my Kroger or low carb vanilla yogurt. And then you're going to need some ice cubes. And I'm using my 16-ounce smoothie blender cup that comes with the Ninja Blender set. Since we're using the entire banana, we need to go ahead and peel it, and then we're going to cut it into small slices to put into the cup. Just making them small enough that it's not too big to blend. The next step is we are going to be adding some blueberries. Don't forget to wash your blueberries. I'm just adding a couple of handfuls. It would just kind of depend on how big of a smoothie that you are personally making. I'm going to fill it up most of the way, but you still need room for the ice and yogurt. So I think I put about like 5 or 7 ice cubes in here. Just enough to obviously blend it to a smoothie, but not too many. And then we are going to add some of our yogurt. Whatever yogurt you want, probably I would imagine vanilla or a plain yogurt would work the best. I'm putting just a couple of spoonfuls in here. I put about 3 spoonfuls in my smoothie. It's up to you if you want to put more or less. And this is, like I said, the smoothie cup for the Ninja Blender, so I'm just twisting the lid on, and you'll see in just a second that the lid, once you turn it over, there you go, turn it over and put it on top of the blender, and then you can press the top, and that is how you make it blend. If it gets stuck like mine is right now, just go ahead and pull it out and kind of shake it to loosen it so it's easier to blend, and then blend it until it is a creamy texture, or to the texture that you like your smoothies to be. So there is my smoothie all blended. It looks so good. I'm just twisting off the top. They actually have tops that you can attach where you can drink out of the smoothie cup, but I forgot it, and I'm just drinking out of a cup at home anyway. So there is my blended smoothie. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is just a simple smoothie you can make at home. There's obviously different things that you can do, but this is one I did at home and I thought I would show you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my social media links below. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Goodbye.